Welcome YouTubers, this is Ryan with CTAC. This will be my first full video on here. This short series will be over the Polymer 80 builds that I've done, kind of options out there, issues I've had, and addiction I have now, I guess. So let's get started. Just had these up display right now, so I'm not doing the Glock 26s on this video, so I'll remove them. And then this one, the 19, I'll move to the side for now. So first one I did, this toy looking thing here. This is the Gen 1 Polymer 80. Got on this pre-order. Took a while for them to release it, all the testing and everything. It's interesting, a lot of experience. I only had one Glock at the time, which I have since then sold. So I had it just to compare and swap parts out. This is a Glock 22. This build is 17 here also. Once they brought out the new gen, I right away decided to get one of those. So I stripped this one. As you can see, you can tell it's empty, safe. But as you can see, these big ribs here, it's just not very ergonomic. Didn't really like shooting it that much. The slide I had for that build was the Voodoo Innovations barrel and slide combination. It came ready to go. Machining quality is really good. The slide overall, I liked it. It's a very nice slide. I like the machining lines, how they continued. They took the slide, cut, and then continued on the barrel. Only issue I have, if you can see that, is the rust. That's mainly because it's just been in a box. So I did, when I got this frame in, I stripped all the pieces off here. I put this slide on. I liked it. It shot well, but I was wanting a comp. Then Strike Industries came out with their mass driver comp, which I like a lot. It doesn't require a threaded barrel. And the problem with it, and the reason I got rid of this, well, the reason I got away from this slide is that comp did not line up with this barrel, with this slide. With these cuts up here, it never sat right. So it never went back full battery. It was always crooked. So then I decided to go with the Strike Industries slide, which is a super light slide. Love this thing. Excellent machining, excellent product, and great price. The price compared to this is night and day. Also on this, I decided to go with, it is empty, as you can see down in the chamber. So I go with a non-threaded barrel. Went with the, turn around, Agency Arms barrel. Love that thing. It is Agency Arms Premium Line Glock 17 compatible fluted, and I went with the DLC or Diamond Light coating. They take great pride in their work. I mean, very nice case, very nice price. So the mass driver also comes in 19. Easy install. I've heard there's been issues with them breaking. I haven't had a problem yet. I've got a couple hundred rounds through it. That's what the slide came in. And this is one of the things that I liked about it. As you can tell, it has the optics cut. I don't know if you'll see this in the camera. So there's mounting post. You see it? I don't know. Let me zoom in. So we got mounting post. Here's a Trigicon mounting hardware, screws. There's the cover plate screws. The Vortex Venom screws. Vortex Viper and Burris. And then in 3x6mm doctor screw. So it'll mount numerous different red dots on it, which I liked. That's another option I liked about it. Can't really afford the Trigicons. They are a little steep for my taste, although they are very nice. On this, I went with, I said, HC Arms, Strike Industries, Barrel and Comp. Trigger is a Landtac trigger. And then this is I think it's a mag release is a Ghost X mag release. I like it a lot. Sights, I went with the Night Vision. That front sight is nice and bright. Very good quality. Like a lot. And this was actually not too expensive a build, which I really like that, especially when compared to my Glock 19 I'm getting ready to show you. The 19 is up next. So here's the 19. I went with the L2D combat build on this. This thing is dirty because I'm still testing it. I've got a couple thousand rounds through it. Very fun to shoot. I'm with, not sure why, I just went with gold everything. So on this one, I'll show you for all the safety freaks. Chamber's empty. I can point the camera because I'm not behind the camera. On this one, have L2D slide, L2D barrel, L2D guide rod and spring, the light and spring. I haven't seen them on the website lately, but the L2D trigger, and then the L2D pins. And see in here, that's also the gold nitride, or titanium nitride. Sights, I went with the Mariglow suppressor height. They're very nice. I'm very happy with them. And then from there, Kill Industries back plate, Killer Industries brake, which I like a lot. Putting this brake on it, and then the light springs. This is a super light slide action. But with between the springs setup and the comp, this thing feels like you're shooting a 22. It's crazy. Then I have the PL Mini Valkyrie, which is a very nice light. I love the easy to recharge, no replacing batteries, just a magnetic charger. Then on the mag, got the +5, I think it is, Kill Industries mag extension, which love it. Good looking. Oh, slide release, that is a Tyrant CNC. I think my notes. Yeah, that's Tyrant. That overall exit build, had fun. This one has no factory Glock parts on it. The only one that it had on it was a slide release, and the spring broke. The first 100 rounds I put through it, it broke. That was interesting. But good build, easy to do. This one, however, was took me a while to build it because how much all the parts cost, and a lot of it L2D was pre-order stuff. But good fun. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. I think that's all I got for now. Until the next video for the Glock 26s. I have my build, and then my wife had her build. I'll have both those in the next video. Any questions? Leave in the comments. Thank you for watching, and have a great evening.